In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide formulas in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to check how a total was calculated, audit a sheet you inherited, or share your work with someone who wants to see the logic behind the numbers, this quick setting is your best friend. We're going to switch the view so you can see the actual formulas in your cells, and then switch back to the regular results view when you're done. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. When a spreadsheet first loads, you typically see the results of each formula, such as totals, averages, or concatenated text. That's the normal results view. Now look to the top of the screen and click the View menu in the main toolbar. In the menu that opens, hover over Show. A small submenu appears with several viewing options. Click Formulas. The moment you do, Sheets changes how it displays the entire sheet. Instead of calculated results, every cell that contains a formula will show the formula itself. For example, where you might have seen a total like 42, you'll now see something like each sum, A1, A5. This is a viewing toggle, so don't worry, nothing in your data is being rewritten. You're simply telling Sheets to reveal what's behind the scenes. It applies across the sheet, not just the currently selected cell, which makes it great for scanning a model quickly. If some formulas are long, you might need to widen a column or adjust the zoom to read them comfortably. You can also scroll around and click cells to highlight references and better understand how ranges link together. While this view is on, any new formulas you type will appear as formulas too, making it easier to confirm you entered them correctly. When you've finished reviewing, return to the View menu at the top, hover over Show again, and click Formulas to turn it off. The checkmark disappears, and Sheets switches back to displaying the results of your formulas. Your data and formulas are exactly as they were. You've just changed what you see on screen. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, go to View, Show, Formulas to reveal what's under the hood, and repeat the same path to hide them again when you're done.